The Glock 17 is one of the most recognizable and influential semi-automatic pistols of the modern era, a design that helped redefine expectations for service handguns and civilian carry alike. Introduced in 1982 by Austrian engineer Gaston Glock, the model was originally developed to meet the Austrian military's need for a reliable, lightweight 9x19mm service pistol. What set the Glock apart was not a single revolutionary feature but the combination of a polymer frame, a simple and robust striker-fired mechanism, and a design philosophy that prioritized reliability, ease of manufacture, and straightforward operation. From the outset, the Glock 17 stood out because it departed from traditional steel and wood pistol construction. The polymer frame reduced weight without sacrificing strength, allowing soldiers and law enforcement officers to carry more comfortably over long shifts. The internal design minimized the number of parts compared with many contemporary pistols, which simplified maintenance and improved durability under adverse conditions. Its striker-fired action eliminated an external hammer, producing a consistent trigger pull that many users found predictable and conducive to rapid follow-up shots, important in high-stress defensive scenarios. Over 4 decades, the Glock 17 has earned a reputation for exceptional reliability. It functions across a wide range of environments, from muddy, wet conditions to extremes of heat and cold, and has been adopted by numerous military and police organizations around the world. The pistol's simple takedown procedure and conservative control layout make it accessible for shooters of varied experience levels. At the same time, the Glock platform has proven endlessly adaptable. Manufacturers and aftermarket companies offer an enormous selection of sights, magazines, holsters, and performance parts for those who want to customize ergonomics or optics. In terms of general specifications, the Glock 17 is chambered in 9x19mm parabellum, which remains the most common and widely accepted service cartridge globally. Standard magazine capacity is typically 17 rounds for the full-size Glock 17, which contributed to its popularity for both law enforcement and civilian self-defense roles when high-capacity magazines became a tactical and logistical advantage. The pistol's dimensions and weight strike a balance between shootability and carry comfort, long enough to provide a reasonable sight radius and control during rapid fire, while remaining compact enough for practical everyday carry in many holster setups. Throughout its production life, the Glock 17 has gone through multiple generations and incremental improvements. These changes focused on ergonomics, materials, and features such as accessory rails, improved sights, and trigger refinements. While the basic operating principle remains the same, each generation has aimed to keep the pistol competitive with evolving user expectations and accessory trends, such as mounting red dot optics or adding weapon lights and lasers. The Glock 17 also occupies a sizable place in popular culture and the firearms market. It is frequently portrayed in films, television, and video games, which has both increased its public profile and shaped broader perceptions of modern handguns. On the commercial side, Glock's ubiquity has encouraged a thriving secondary market, with a wide array of aftermarket parts enabling users to tailor the pistol's fit and function to their individual needs. At the same time, Glock maintains a reputation for factory-level quality control. Many users report that out-of-the-box Glocks are dependable and serviceable with minimal tuning. Safety and responsible handling are integral when discussing any firearm, and the Glock 17 is no exception. The pistol incorporates internal safeties designed to prevent accidental discharges unless the trigger is intentionally engaged. Nonetheless, safe storage, rigorous training, and adherence to local laws are essential for any owner. Regulations governing ownership, carry, and use vary widely between jurisdictions. Potential owners should ensure they understand the legal framework in their area and pursue certified training to develop safe handling and marksmanship skills. Comparing the Glock 17 to other pistols highlights its core strengths: simplicity, durability, and a proven track record. Some competitors may offer different ergonomics, trigger characteristics, or modularity, but few match the Glock's depth of service history and breadth of aftermarket support. For users seeking alternative profiles, such as smaller concealment-oriented models or larger duty-sized pistols, Glock's own lineup and other manufacturers provide many options. Ultimately, the Glock 17's longevity stems from a pragmatic engineering approach. It was built to do the job reliably and to be easy to maintain and produce. For that reason, it remains a benchmark in discussions about service pistols and civilian defensive handguns. Whether viewed as a tool for duty, personal protection, or recreational shooting, the Glock 17 continues to be a touchstone in modern firearms design, unflashy, workmanlike, and widely trusted by generations of users.